Photos just turned iPhone editing into pure magic. All by their new Help Me Edit tool lets users erase photobombers, brighten scenes, and even move objects by just typing or speaking what they want. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your help of the latest tech news. The update, which is already a hit on Android, is now live on iOS in the US, and it's blowing minds. Powered by Google's Nano Banana AI, this tool understands natural language commands like remove the bucket or add shoes and delivers stunningly realistic results. In tests, a random bucket disappeared seamlessly, a phone vanished from a hand without a trace, and even a child's shoes were added perfectly. You can even change locations, from Walmart to sunny beach. The edits are lightning fast, usually coming out under 10 seconds, and context-aware, making the AI feel almost human. It's a game changer for parents, social media fanatics, or anyone who wants picture-perfect snaps without the fuss of professional software. Artistic changes and color shifts are also handled in a flash, giving images a polished finish. It has got some downsides as well, like some commands need rephrasing, it's not ideal for print quality work, and there are privacy concerns since it uses facial recognition. Plus, for now, it's iOS only in the US. Still, this is the smartest, fastest, most intuitive photo editor iPhone users have seen. With just a sentence, messy backgrounds, closed eyes, or rogue objects vanish. Once you experience this, there's no going back. Google Photos Help Me Edit could change the way the world touches up photos forever. So, which picture are you editing first? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.